knowledge and living knowledge is something that is fluid. It have to be redefined. These days, we are not the only being that is learning. Artificial intelligence is also learning, and we have to teach some machine how to learn while we are not so sure what is learning and how do we learn. So my job here is to deliver a talk about how we fail to learn from experience. We are wired in such a way to learn from experience, but sometimes we're stuck. We don't know how to do that. For instance, during pandemics, what are those things that we learned during pandemics, except not to panic about toilet paper? So that is my mission here, to deliver a talk about it and maybe to inspire some people to think in different way about this process of learning and how to redefine it. These days we spend too much time communicating with chatbots, but we need other people who will think about thinking. So this metacognition is very important. It should be, as my colleague Sorin said in his lecture today, so our central role today is not to think like machine does, machine do, but to think about thinking and to be superior in that way. So community is something that makes us different from any learning machine. So community is much smarter than any of us. So I think it cannot be replaced with anything else. So this in-person meetings related to such a fluid topic is something that is indispensable. Solidarity was always a synonym for Gdańsk. So that is what I remember from my childhood. It is very important, and it emerged here. We would like to have solidarity everywhere, but it is not so common thing for such a selfish species like Homo sapiens. So solidarity is more anomaly than regular behavior of humans. So if we define it better and better understand what is solidarity, maybe we can help us in the future. Solidarity and research is something that is still ahead of us. In science, people have for decades or centuries hidden their data. They were quite cautious about competition, etc. So we didn't share much of ideas, of data, of equipment, resources, but solidarity in a way that it is our science for the benefit of the humanity is new idea. So I think it's still ahead of us. So this is opportunity to find out what it is.